Ever wondered what it's like to eat pure luxury? Brace yourselves! Coming in at number 3, we have the almighty saffron. This spice is so pricey it might make your wallet cry. Just £1 can cost up to $5,000. That's like sprinkling gold on your pasta. Next up at number 2 is the luxurious white truffle. These bad boys can go for around $3,000 per pound. That's more than my rent. And people are shaving this on their pizza. And drumroll, please. The crown jewel of expensive foods is the Almas caviar. This fancy fish egg delicacy costs up to $34,500 per kilogram. That's a lot of dough for a tiny bite. Imagine having caviar dreams on a ramen budget. So, there you have it. The top 3 foods that'll have your taste buds dancing and your bank account screaming. Would you ever splurge on these pricey eats? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty tidbits. Until next time, keep munching.